Well, the intent was not to go car camping. This is our bounder. Yesterday, after we arrived at this campground and I began cooking dinner on the Blackstone, I went to grab some utensils out of the drawer and was in for a bit of a shocker. Folks, after 3.5 years, we have mice. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I am terrified of mice. So I put together this little setup. Got our beach towels to give me a little privacy here, hanging up everywhere. It's not the neatest little thing. That other beach towel was my pillow. I like to feel like somebody's next to me. I didn't have John, so I just stacked our bags there and put my seats down, and that's basically where I slept. So today, instead of starting our day off by the water at Trap Pond, we are headed to the hardware store to get some traps and see what we can do. I don't know how this happened. My best guess is we've had this RV in a number of different shops over the past couple of weeks, and we had it at Ford shop, which I do remember seeing a lot of mice traps there. To get the issue with the front end, the suspension looked at. So it could have been any of those places that this happened at. But first, I'm gonna head over to the bathhouse to get cleaned up and changed. If you know me, you know I don't go anywhere near where there are mice. So I am not going in that RV. You may think it's silly, you can put it in the comments. I really don't care. I am not going in the RV. I do not deal well with mice. My guys, they're fine. Me, I'm not. Laugh if you want, comment if you want. I don't care. I'm not doing it.
Hi, this is a public service announcement. Don't get mice. Now, apparently, we have maybe one mouse, and because of
You never have just one.
because of Sherry's paranoia,
Never just one.
we had to get all of this.
To catch them all.
Get the one.
Never just one.
All right, both of them then.
Out of my way, son. I gotta get this in there.
Why you never explain anything to me? What is it?
It's rodent repellent. So you plug those in, and it's supposed to keep them away. So if the traps don't get them, maybe they'll run away from whatever that is. I don't know how good it is, but I think it has a guarantee.
Has a guarantee, huh? We'll see about that one. Yes, we guarantee that we will make money off of this.
So plug one in over here by the sink, since it was in that drawer. And then here, there's an outlet right over here.
I've got to get them out of their foolproof packaging first. Although at this point it may as well be genius-proof too, because it's hard to get open.
Let me see that package when you're done.
Okay. Yeah. Well.
Can I see the package?
I'm not done.
I just want to see if it's guaranteed.
Well, you know what? I give up already.
There's no guarantee.
Yeah.
Where's the guarantee?
There's never a guarantee. Probably.
Now plug this one in the bathroom.
Which bathroom?
The one where you found stuff.
Okay, all the way in the bathroom.
Yeah. You're so brave, son. I'm proud of you. Be careful.
Really?
They're tricky.
I am not scared of a mouse.
You're braver than me, son. I raised you right.
About the set, these traps. We have this cool new one. It's basically like the old traps. It snaps shut, but It's just got a new system to it. And this one is a no-touch trap where you twist it and it arms it, and they crawl in after the bait and it snaps shut. And they're contained inside this one, so it indicates that it's caught. You pick it up, you throw it away. No touch.
Don't we have the regular kind too?
Oh, we do. I have in my pocket.
In your pocket?
The classic kind that snap on your fingers when you try to set it.
So that's all we have? Do we have more?
Ones.
Didn't we buy more?
More?
No, we got enough. I think we have enough traps.
What is this, Tom and Jerry?
I know, right?
No, but we need more. How many is that?
We have half a dozen traps.
Will that cover the whole? I mean, this is 37 feet.
I think a couple of traps would have done. But we have half a dozen.
I don't think it's going to be enough.
It's going to be fine.
I mean, it's 36 feet. How are you going to fit them all in there?
It's one big room.
I know. Look.
You gonna put one of those downstairs?
I'm going to put two of them, the old-fashioned ones, so nobody gets accidentally snapped, because these will go off. They're a hair trigger.
I think you underestimate us.
You'll get hurt. No, you tap these with a foot and they'll go off.
No, you underestimate us. We'll find a way to set them off accidentally.
Yeah, you'll probably jump up and down on the floor and I'll hear it snap down.
This app is called Sync, and theoretically it can help me identify the mosquitoes that are harassing me non-stop if I can take a picture of them and not my finger. See, here you can see that I identified the mosquitoes harassing my father as southern house mosquitoes.
Did you enjoy your birthday weekend at Delaware Parks?
Yeah, there's tons of stuff I've never seen before, or at least not in person, so I mean, that's quite nice. The fire was frustrating, but also a good experience. And I don't know if anyone knows why wood will keep smoking for like 2 hours, but not actually light on fire. Put it in the comments, maybe. And there are also tons of, like, if you look down in the water, there are tons of little crabs everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
There are thousands and thousands of them.
Good time?
Yeah.
Awesome. We didn't exactly catch a mouse yet this weekend.
I'm telling you, I think Jay's right. I think that thing's skedaddled. I think it left town.
I hope it has. But when we get back home and we put it in storage, we'll set all those traps up again.
Yeah,
And we'll
I'll
put 'em
set
in the-
those traps.
And you'll put them in the places where we actually found
Yes.
the droppings.
I will.
And then we'll monitor it until our next trip in a week.
I'll monitor it until our next trip, yes.
You follow instructions well.
It's because I know you're not going to want to look at a mouse trap.
No.
She doesn't want to deal with that.
The important thing is we had our son Jay here with us for this camping trip.
Yes, we did.
And this trip was a birthday trip. It was part of one of his birthday presents to come out here because he is a true naturalist. He loves being out looking at and classifying different types of trees and plants. And this place had a bald cypress. What do you call it? A bald cypress what? Forest?
Swamp.
No, swamp. Yes,
Swamp.
a bald cypress swamp. And so we got to look at that and kayak in the water forest, as I call it.
Yeah.
So it's a really good time, despite that pesky mouse
Yes.
trying to ruin it for us. Nope, wasn't gonna happen.
Pesky mouse that already left.
See?
How do you guys know that?
We spent a weekend in there.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing happened.
Anyway, that's it for our adventure.
Now go enjoy yours. Thanks, Jay.